Have you ever tried to use an Intune feature and found that it's grayed out? If you see this message, this requires a Windows license, or this requires Windows license verification to be enabled, then let me show you where to go to fix this. Firstly, you do actually need to have the required Windows license to use the feature. For example, Windows Enterprise E3 or E5, or Microsoft 365 that includes a Windows Enterprise license, or Education. Just a reminder, I'm almost at 10k subscribers, so if you could do me a favor and subscribe, that would be excellent. We'll head over to the Intune portal. You can see I've got this message here. Use of remediations requires a Windows license verification to be enabled. Now, if you go over to the prerequisite, it explains that you need to have a Windows license, and it doesn't really tell you where to go to enable this bit. So all we need to do is head down to Tenant Administration, down to Connectors and Tokens, and scrolling down here to Windows Data. And then with Windows Data, we've got Windows Data here, which you can enable so that you can have some additional reporting data go back to Microsoft. So you can use that for diagnostics and that type of thing. So we can turn that on. Sure, great. But the actual important one for the thing I'm just talking about is this Windows license verification here, which is currently set to off. Just click on that little arrow, and you can see that we can enable Windows license verification very easily by just making sure that we're a global admin or an Intune service administrator, and then we can tick I confirm that my tenant owns one of these licenses. Now you'd think Microsoft will be able to check that, but here we are enabling this to confirm that we have the Windows licenses that are required. So there we go. I mean, the point is, these ones here, Microsoft 365, E3 or E5, are very easy for Microsoft to check because they're user licenses. But there will be an instance where you have a Windows 10 or later license that is provided by the fact that you bought an upgrade to Enterprise when you bought the PC, and you bought it from manufacturer, and you bought it directly from Microsoft without using the per user license SKU. So there are many ways that you can get the required licenses. In this case, that verification is turned off, and that's why I'm seeing that issue. So I'll just tick on and choose save. And it may be nice and quick that it will actually go back and let me see this feature being enabled already. I'll go into scripts and remediations, and already remediations are enabled, and it's now no longer grayed out, so I can actually use remediations because the Windows license has been verified. Let me know if this fixed any issues for you, and if there are any other tips you think I should share, let me know. See you next time.